Here I've got Nokia 8110 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications just by tapping on the home button, then find and select the settings. Here you should find and pick device option and go to the battery. Here you will notice power saving mode, simply select it and now you can enable it just by tapping on. And from now on power saving mode is active. You can also switch it off the same way and then you can select turn on automatically mode, so every time your battery is lower than 15, 10 or 5%, whichever option you prefer, I will pick 10%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. So that's basically all. This is how you can enable power saving mode in your Nokia, enjoy it, extend life of your battery and use your device way longer. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.